Hi guys, I think I'm in frame. I just wanted to, forgive the funny camera angle and the shaking about, but I'm holding the camera myself now. I just wanted to let you know about a problem that I've come across and I couldn't find a solution to either on Google or on YouTube or anywhere to do with Premiere Pro. I have literally just started this, so video editing is very new to me. So if you know about this already, then forgive me for going over it. But as I couldn't find the answer anywhere, I thought I'd share this just in case there's any newcomers like me that come across it. And I discovered the fault after like 18 hours of just sitting here trying to suss it out. And it's been absolutely eluding me until I decided to do something just because I had a crook in my neck. I can't do this by screen capture, not because I can't do screen capture, but because you need to be able to see two separate monitors. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you what I mean. Right, okay, hopefully that's in focus. It looks like it. Basically, I've got a monitor there and a monitor there, both connected to my laptop, which is under there. Now, if I open a project over here, right, so we'll open a project, just an untitled project, nothing fancy, nothing whatever. So I'll drag over a video that I did that's on my channel called Lola the Cat. We'll drop that over here. We're importing it, no problem at all. Now, if you look up here, what you should see when I hit the play button is the video.
Hello everybody, just thought I'd introduce you.
But what you get is audio. However, if I take this screen and drag it over to this monitor, we have video. Drag it back, video freezes. You can hear the audio still going. Again, drag it back over to there. We have full working video. Right, again, I think I'm in the shot. Anyway, the reason for it, which I've worked out now, is because the video that you saw that works is plugged directly into my HDMI port on my laptop. The second video is a VGA monitor, and my laptop doesn't have a VGA port. So I bought a USB 3 to VGA adapter, which is how that monitor works as an extended desktop, and it works very well. Except it won't allow Premiere Pro, and only Premiere Pro, to import video. It works perfectly okay on DaVinci Resolve and on any of the cheap, easy to use, fun, free video editing, but Premiere Pro, for some quirk, it won't allow it, which I thought was a bit odd, and I've never come across anything like that before. I've spoken to probably 4 or 5 people that are very knowledgeable when it comes to video editing and video editing software, and none of them have ever heard of this either. So it's something else that I thought, well, okay, if nobody I know has heard of it, then perhaps I should just do a quick little video on it in case somebody else comes across a similar problem, and bang, there's your solution. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.